Hi guys, welcome back to Alimento kitchen. Today we're making a rich and flavored vegetable stew that's perfect for rice, yam or pasta. I started by slicing my vegetables, blending my pepper and onions, blending my crayfish, and washed my chicken and cooked separately. You can use any protein of your choice. I heat my oil and add my pepper mix and let it cook until the oil separates. Next, I added my seasoning and spices. Once the sauce was rich and thick, I added my fresh vegetables and stirred everything together. After a few minutes, our vegetable stew is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Alimento Kitchen. Bye!